How can we possibly make money by uploading songs on YouTube without copyright? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step. All you have to do is to just follow me through every step. You can either use your phone or your laptop. Alright guys, so we are just going to quickly dive in. Now first we are going to be opening our chat GPT. Now this is what we are going to be putting here. Give me kids educational song title ideas. Alright, so I'm just going to click enter on this. What we are going to be doing is to upload kids song. It is not as if you cannot actually upload songs for adults. It's possible. It all depends on what you ask ChatGPT and to give you that. So what I want to actually upload now is a kid educational song. Alright, so now these are some of the title ideas. Okay, alright, so I can actually just scroll through all of these and pick any one of my choice. Alright, so we're actually going to be working with 5 little senses here. This is it right here. This is one I'm actually going to be working with. So we are going to be typing write me a catchy inspirational educational song for kids titled. This is where I'm actually going to be putting my title. So whichever one you actually want to use, after writing this in, then you just put in your title. So what I'm going to do is I will just copy this right here and come over here, and then I'll put in my title and then I send it. So now ChatGPT is actually going to create the song for me from verse 1 to chorus, the verse 2, the chorus, the bridge, the chorus, and then the outro. Alright, so this is actually what I'm going to be working with. Now it is very, very important. You guys should actually take note of this. Very, very important that you make some changes to what ChatGPT has given you. Do not take exactly what ChatGPT has given to you to create your song. Now, when I have something like this, this is what I'm going to do now. Just watch me. I'm going to copy this. I will go to my notepad. Every laptop has a notepad, even that of phones. You can have a notes or whatsoever, just to put it there. In fact, anywhere, even if it's on WhatsApp, anywhere, just need to put it there so as you can be able to make the changes. Now, while making your changes, you can do well to remove this here where we have the verse 1, the chorus, the verse 2. Now, making your changes does not mean that you have to change every single thing. I'm going to show you how you can actually make your changes without you cracking your head on what you should write. Now, this, I'm also going to remove this, the bridge, open a new tab, and then I'm going to be searching for Quillbots. Some of you must have heard about Quillbots. Now I'm going to be using Quillbots to do that. Alright, so I'll just allow my Quillbot to open. Alright, so after opening your Quillbot, we are just going to go right straight to our notepad here. Now what you're going to do here now is to copy this first one. You copy it, you move over to your Quillbot, you paste it here, and then you paraphrase. Alright, so now you see this, it's actually going to be changing it for you. Now you see this, let's name all 5 of my senses. Now look at it here. This is so much amazing. In fact, you don't need to stress yourself on trying to rack your brain about how you are going to be paraphrasing it all by yourself or changing some words. You can actually use Quillbot to do this. Alright, so I'm just going to allow you, you can just go through this by changing all of it yourselves. Alright, so believing you guys are actually done with your paraphrasing using Quillbot. Now the next thing we're actually going to be doing is to move over to Songar. Songar or Song, how is it pronounced? Songar.ai. Alright, so you just need to move in there. Alright, so after you've opened it, you just need to go ahead and sign in. Alright, so you can now click on this here. Try Songar app now. You click on this. Alright, so now, remember when we started this, I told you guys that it is not just for children. You can decide to also go for pop and other music, even if it's for adults or whatsoever. Alright, now if you look at this, you see we have pop, we have hip hop, we have cafe, we have piano rock, country, and the rest. So since mine is about children, I'm just going to click on children right here. Alright, so we'll just come down here to click I have my lyrics. This is where we need to insert our lyrics and then our title. So what I'm just going to do now is to move over to my notepad where I have my rephrase. I copy all of this here. I move back here and paste it under here. Alright, so here I have my title and I have my lyrics right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and render. So when rendering this, it's just going to take some minutes for it to finish up. Voila! Alright, so what we are going to be doing now is we are actually going to be downloading this. All right, so we can download the video or the audio, so whichever one. So I'll just prefer to go with the audio now. All right, so I can go ahead and download the audio, but if you also want to download the video, you can still go back there and download the video. It's all up to you. All right, so I'm just going to play this song and let's see how it sounds.
Let's name all five of my senses: taste, smell.
In fact, this is so amazing. Like, some of you wouldn't even believe that this is ever possible. All right, so this is not just for children's song. You can also do that for hip hop, like the list we saw back there. All right, guys, we are not done. Let's continue. Now, what we are going to be doing next now is we are actually going to be moving over to our Canva. Now, in our Canva, we are going to be creating a video. All right, so let's move over to our Canva and I'm just going to show you how you can do that. All right, so all you have to do now is to go ahead and click on create a design. Okay, then what we are going to be selecting now is YouTube video. Come here and search for YouTube video. All right, so here I have my YouTube video. I'll just click on this and then it opens it. Now I'm going to be inserting so many things. Now remember, the video is all about senses, so I'm going to be inserting some videos about senses. Now another thing is, you don't need to stress yourself like, what do I need to start putting in here? How am I sure that this will actually fit in what I need to put in here? You don't need to worry. Now this is what we are going to do. First, we are going to be uploading the song. That will be the first thing we are going to be doing. All right, so you can move over to your audio and then we are going to be uploading our song. So you can do it, also upload yours. All right, so after uploading it, then I'm just going to click on 5 little senses and bring it here. I'm going to be dropping it right here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be listening to my song, or I can do well to follow my script in getting it. Okay, so the first one is let's name all 5 of my senses: the taste, the smell, the touch, hearing, and the rest of that. All right, so what I'm just going to be doing at the first part here is I'm just going to go ahead to my element here and then I will be downloading for children. Okay, so I'll just say children playing. Okay, children playing. So let's say my first 5 seconds is actually going to be children playing. So I'm just going to be inserting that there. I'll move over to my video. Everything you're inserting should be video. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to work with this one. All right, so I can just play this through first and let's see.
Let's name.
All right, so where it actually has the whole lyrics, which is let's play, then I can just go ahead and change that there. The second one is I just inserted some children also playing there. All right, so I can actually do well to insert children playing and some other things that related to sex organs. Now, like from what they were actually seeing in some places here is, now this part where we have, I can smell the fresh sweet scent of the flower. You can actually get an element of children maybe touching some flowers, playing with some flowers and all of that. So that is just the simple way on how you can actually create a video like this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create my own video. All right, guys, so when you're done with that, all right, guys, so after you've added maybe your elements to your music, which I have done like this, you need to actually take note of the timing as you keep doing that. Now you need to make sure that this is up to a minute. Now 30, this is still 30 seconds. That is say it is still short. So you just need to keep adding some elements until it gets up to the end of that song. Now every song I tell you you actually create, it is more than a minute, so which is it is not a short. Instead, it is a long video. Now, after you're done with that, what you're going to be doing now is to move over to this little man right here, that little thing, and then you click on dissolve. Now, when it actually plays down to this part here, plays to this part, and then it's actually going to be a kind of like a dissolve, which is actually necessary, which is the transition between the first element and the second element. All right, guys, so when you're done with this, what you need to do next is to come over to your share here and then you scroll down to download, and then you can now download this video. So this is just how you can actually generate your own music for children and then you come over to your Canva and then generate a video using that music. Then the next thing you're going to do now is to go ahead to your YouTube and upload it right there. All right, so I tell you, whichever of these you're uploading, there is no copyright. All right, so you can go ahead and try this yourself and see how it works out for you. From there, you get monetized and you keep earning big on YouTube. Alright guys, so this is just all we're going to be discussing for today. Now in our next video, we are going to see how we can now create children videos. How can we possibly create children videos? This time around, it is not songs we are uploading, but children videos, just as we have Coco Melon and the rest. How can we possibly do that in just minutes? In our next tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step on how we can do that. Alright guys, so just click that video there, click on it, and then I'll see you in the next tutorial.